What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hope y'all had a good Christmas with the family and everything. I was taking a little break from YouTube, spend time with family for the holidays and stuff. So this is gonna be the last video of 2022, and I got this as a gift. So I wanted to do a quick little review on it and unboxing. This is the Vanguard Equalizer 1QS, a Picatinny style bipod. So if you have anything with a Picatinny rail, you're able to mount this. Two separate, I guess, adapters. So if you have a rifle or something that doesn't have a Picatinny rail, you can definitely use that. So let's get right into unboxing this. Pretty easy to open, at least with this one. You don't need any scissors or anything like that. It just has these little clips. In there you got the instructions, owner's manual, or whatever. Got the bipod itself, and then it comes with a little Allen key. This is for the adapters that you're able to put on whichever weapon you have. Not quite sure which ones you're able to use this on. Mine, I got the Magpul Picatinny M-Lock attachment, so I don't need these two. But if you need them, it comes with them, so you can put it on other rifles and then just quickly interchange the bipod itself. Looking at the bipod, you do have the release clips right here. You got to pull out, and then they're not spring loaded like what was that Caldwell. It comes with little spikes that you can screw the rubber piece in for when, like, if you're shooting on grass or maybe a wooden table or something, you can use the spikes to dig in. It has 0 to 5 degree angle of tilt from side to side. So that being said, when it's fully locked out and stuff, it can tilt 5 degrees this way or the other way. And then it's 30 degrees of swing on either side. So whether you're going left or right, it's 30 degrees. And then it also has a nice heavy duty spring in there as well to keep the tension and everything. So I'm going to put this on my AR-10, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually attach it to your rifle, granted if you have the Picatinny rail on there. So this is my AR-10, my Diamondback that I did a video on. So what you do is, obviously you want the legs facing towards the barrel. So you just put that on there. And tighten that down, and that is it. The bipod is on the rifle. Just like that. It's really easy. You can see the tilt from side to side, and then the swivel that it has. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you use this on your own rifle, please let me know how you like it. If you don't like it, what don't you like about it, and all that stuff. So that being said, I will see y'all next year. Hope y'all have a awesome New Year's party or whatever. Have some champagne, celebrate with your family or whatever. So I will see y'all next year. Peace out.